So check it out. Here's my latest eBay compulsive buy. It's a pair of Marx E7 Long pilots. When they got here, paint was so nice on them, I decided to restore them rather than use them for custom paint. This one has a really hairline crack going up the side of it. So what I did was I took some plastic weld on a Q-tip, and on the inside of the shell, just rubbed some in there. Also, I spread the crack apart a little bit and then got some in there into the crack and held it tight till the weld set up. And when I put the headlight screw on, I made sure that I put it on just enough to snug it down, not too much farther. I believe that's probably what helps crack them. And on the other A unit, I had to repair a little chip in the back of the roof. That's not uncommon either. The only problem is it's hard to match that paint. And then I also repaired a couple of broken steps. I'll show you. I do it a little differently. You can buy the Grossman ones that are pretty nice and easy to use, and you can just put them right on, glue them on there. But I like to take the from broken shells that are just too far gone to even custom paint. I'll cut all the steps off and just match the step to the color of the shell, because I don't know what color Marx used here. It's not really a gray, it's not really a silver. Later on it was more of a grayish color. And so you just put your plastic weld, get some on here, you sand it off really smooth first, and get some on the step itself and then on the bottom, and just push it right up in there, and you can get it so you can hardly even see that seam. And I also repaired the one on the A unit. I'll let you take a look at that too. And here's the I used a little piece of stearine, as you can see it, to repair that little chip in the back. But again, the paint was so nice on these, it was just would have been a shame to custom paint them, especially because they were only made 1 year. And then Marx went to the shorter pilot because they were having, as I said before, they're having a hard time getting them out of the mold without breaking them. I wish they could have stayed with a longer pilot, especially with the nicer paint jobs that they put on the New Haven and the Rock Island units. So it would have been neat to have a long pilot version of that. But we'll take them for a spin. I found a B unit that matches that older color paint. And so here we go. These I put a power pull motor in them. The power pull motors are one with a large weight and traction tires. I accidentally hit my throttle there and it took off like a jackrabbit. Just as a refresher, I'll show you a power pull motor after the train goes by. The motor with a large weight and with traction tires. And in my humble opinion, it's the best motor Marx ever made. It's certainly the best puller. Smooth runner. And I have one in all my custom E7s. To get a pair of these, you want to make sure you clean the front wheels of the locomotive. That's what helps the headlight stay on nice and steady. And also clean the wheels of the dummy unit where it couples to the powered unit. It actually helps to pick up power from the outside rail through the coupler. Yeah, we'll pick the camera up, why not? Follow them around a little bit. The ABA is really pretty impressive, and I really like the long pilot. I've been able to make a mold of that long pilot, so if once in a while I find one with a broken pilot, I've actually replaced them. The pilot on my Emmanuel Express is one that I molded, and I used resin mold. Let's set the camera back down. right. It's awfully hard to find a set of these without something broken on them, but you're going to pay a premium price if you do. But you can still get some like these that have really nice paint. This one, both the powered and the dummy unit have the original horns, which is unusual too. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.